Hello everyone, SEMO-MAC here again. Yep, guess what I got for you? You guessed it, another product review. So, was out and about at my local Harbor Freight, and because you know, that's where I love it. That's where I go. I should just I should just have my paycheck just sent to them because I ended up going at least once or twice a week. So, hey, you know, it is what it is. I enjoy the small things in life. That's what we got to do. If it makes me happy, I'm happy. So, what I picked up for you this week, I ran in there, got a coupon. Imagine that. If you're not using the Harbor Freight app, put it on your phone. You'll thank me later, okay? Easy way to access everything, all the coupons, all that good stuff. And if you're not an ITC member, get on it. Make sure you go into the store and get the 2-year. If you get the 2-year, it is cheaper than the 1-year. 1 year is like 35 bucks. 2-year, 45. You save money. But anyway, what I picked up. Imagine that, Bauer. Who knew? Yeah, I know. But it is a cordless air pump. Guys, I'm going to use this when we go camping. This thing is going to be so handy. Kind of go over a little bit thing with it. You got your regulator right there. You can actually see how much air you got going in. One thing I did not know when I saw this was it actually comes with the little accessories. As you see right here, it has 1, 2, 3 different accessories on here. It's actually pretty sweet, very lightweight. I mean, it puts out some air. And as you can see right here, as I get this up here for you to see, if I put my thumb over it, regulating the air. So, I thought what would be the best thing to do is to test this little joker out. So, I hollered at one of my daughters and I said, hey, give me something to air up. So what does she do? Oh yeah, you know, me being a girl dad, and yes I am, I have 2 daughters. She goes, hey, I'll give you one of my volleyballs and you can do that. All right, I'm good with that. Oh yeah, I have got the pastel volleyball. Imagine that. She can't give me the white one or the, you know, white and red one. It's got to be the pastel. Why? Because it's on the video. That's right. So she really wants everybody to know that I am a girl dad. So, but hey, it is what it is. But as you can see, this thing is flat. I mean, it's flat. So let's see if this thing actually works. So let's plug that bad boy in. And here we go. I say it works. So, yeah. I believe this one is actually going to be yeah, this is SEMO-MAC approved right here. It sure is. So these things will come in handy. Slide this over here. Carry it in your car, carry it in your camper, truck. You know, as long as you got your battery with you, you're good to go. And we always take batteries when we go camping. I have a couple little cordless that goes with me, drill, chuck, stuff like that, all that good stuff. So, but yeah, this is awesome. And for 18 bucks. I mean, seriously, $18. You can buy little cheap pumps at Walmart and they're over 20 bucks. This was $18. Okay? 18. So, yeah, hey. I see it works. So, hey, appreciate y'all watching. And remember, if you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe, help me out. Come on, do me a solid. hit that little chime, hit that little bell on there. Give me some comments. Let me know what y'all think about this stuff. I mean, I'm gonna keep doing them, so you're gonna see me on here. So hey, just like it. I appreciate it. But as always, it's a SEMO-MAC telling you to be kind, to love everyone, and just enjoy life. Enjoy it to its full extent. So, until next time, this is SEMO-MAC, and I'm out.